Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here, and I have a Project Life layout for you for the Traci Reed Designs creative team. I did this layout back in April for the Brighter Days release. This is a layout for March of 2026. I don't know exactly how many layouts I'm going to have for the month of March, probably 2. So this one to start with, I've got the title card and I've dated it the 1st through the 15th of March. I took one of the journal cards, the 4x6 journal cards, and I have some things that I'm going to add to it, and then the date is from the very first Story Foundations release. And so then also a 3x4 card that I added the little flower garland to. This is a 4x6 journal card. I've added my journaling and 2 of the wooden brads there, or circle bits. And also across the bottom I added the little row of digital enamel dots. For side B, another 4x6 journal card, and for that one I've added my journaling and also a little bit of a mixed media background. It's actually a doily, and I'm going to leave that as a home base for some other elements on the page. And then another 4x6 card here. This is just a filler card with the butterflies. I'm repeating the butterflies across the page. Another 3x4 filler card that I've added the flower garland across again. And the green 3x4 journal card with the purple flower added. And then all my embellishments, and you'll get to see that those being added throughout the process. So for the title card here, this had some great elements already, but of course, as a hybrid scrapbooker, I wanted to add a few things. And so before I printed it out, I did add a couple of digital enamel dots. And you can see those in the top right hand corner and off to the left side there. And those are going to be the little sprinkles for the butterflies. And so I'm just kind of going through some of the items that I printed here just to find what I need, and also kind of to organize them a little bit for the process. And so here I'm finding some of the flowers. There we go. There are the butterflies that I can add. And then that gives you a chance to see the embellishments that are in this collection as well. I usually print the stickers out when I get them, when I get a new collection. And then the Ellies I tend to use more on the spot in creating my layout digitally, and print those out later once I have them sized for the collection. And these I've done a mixture of both. So some of them are printed out and some of them are sized down. The butterflies here have now been added to the 4x6 card. And then this is a photo of our front door, and 2 reasons for this photo. One is Alan had been away in Manila in the Philippines, and so it's representative of him coming home. It's also showing our new rug that we got for the porch side, which has the flowers, and the new rug we got for the inside, which is the neutral tan and beige, and I just added those, the label and the word strip there. And then this photo, there are 2 gorgeous cabinets in our dining room that I have been so excited to add our to add our dinnerware to, and have a gorgeous place for our dinnerware where I can pull from it, where I can change out the decor and things like that more easily. And so this is the start of that project. This is the start of opening the boxes and unpacking all the boxes and moving all the plates and things into these cabinets. And then I just did a little half circle label at the bottom and a little floral embellishment there, keeping things pretty simple. There is a filler card as well here that I just added just the way it is. It says, "Look at you blooming through it all." And then a photo here. River came to stay with us for the first time at the new house. They have been away at college in Charlotte, and so it was their first opportunity to stay in their new room. And so I added another label here. Love this cute photo of us together there. And added a little word strip that says Fresh Air Energy. And then another thing we're working on in the house is getting the studio set up for myself, for my work here, my processes. And an important part of that is the studio lighting. And kind of a side story, it turns out that my old studio lighting was old and had worn out. And so we got new studio lighting for my filming area. And that's awesome. I'm so excited about it. They have remote control, and so you can regulate what kind of, how many lights you want on inside of it, what kind of color you want. Of course, I just want white color, but very helpful, very exciting to have that ready to go, and getting things little bit by little bit added here and put together in the home. So at this stage, I'm done with that side, and I'm going to switch over here to the right side. And so starting here first. Okay, so really simple again here. Added my journaling in Photoshop prior to printing, and then I'm going to add this little umbrella here. It just, the whole theme of the Brighter Days collection is looking up, looking towards the happier times in life. And for us, this time has been a time for the happier days. And so I was excited to kind of represent that through this collection here with just the umbrella and the little word strip that says the good stuff. So I have a photo here of our dog Maisie. She is a Labrador mix, and she's approving all the rugs in the house. That's her job. So again, keeping the formula, a label here, a word strip, and one of the little tulips in the collection. Just adding that in the the kind of negative space there of the photo, so you can see her cute little face. She's so adorable. You just want to squish it. love including all of these little aspects here, all these little captures. In the future, upcoming years, they become more and more important. So a photo here of Alan. I mentioned that he had been traveling in Manila. I'll do more about that trip very soon. But for now, this is a photo he took from his hotel room with the skyline of Manila behind him. I love that photo. And so I've added another half circle here. There was a half circle label on the opposite side of the layout and a full circle label. And here repeating another half circle. I'm trying to be more intentional about repeating shapes and repeating cluster patterns. It seems weird to have done Project Life since 2012 and to just be starting that habit, but whatever. It's never too late to start new habits. And in the end, what makes you happy is what you do anyway. But I mentioned this several times, trying to keep my process more simple for myself, for my creative brain power, for my exhaustion, permanent exhaustion that I have been gifted with now. So the last 3x4 photo there is when Alan came home from Manila, and the dog and cat being so excited to see him. Zoe, the cat, she was more excited to see if he was going to feed her, but Maisie was just overjoyed. He is her human. And then the last 4x6 photo is our new kitchen cabinet that we put up in the kitchen, and our work table that we built, repurposed, added onto, and we got the cabinet hung in the kitchen. And so just a simple title there from the Brighter Days collection for that. Thanks so much for joining me today and following along with my process. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I will have links to the products down below for you. And as always, I will see you back here again real soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.